So about those waveformers, yeah, that video. All that shine and all that bounce, those wavy waves.
Get into this.
Y'all love that video.
The disrespect. So if you watched my previous video where I did those waveformers, magic rollers, whatever you like to call them, then this is what it looks like at the end of 3 days. So I've been wearing my hair out. It is cold where I'm at. Just been blowing in the wind, just letting it be free, get big. And with me just only using a mousse as the styler. Yeah, it's really fluffy, but it is definitely, and I've got tons of compliments about it, but it's dry, it's cold out here. So I'm going to turn this into a twist out. See, that just lets you know that I've been outside with a leaf in my hair. But anyway, this is what it's looking like. Definitely looks a lot different than it did from when I installed them, but that is to be expected. If you don't know what video I'm talking about, then I will link it down below. But it is those waveformers. Have you gotten yours? Have you ordered yours? You probably ain't got it by now. Have you ordered it? Are you still thinking about ordering it? Do you know somebody who ordered it? Let me know below if you do plan on getting them and what products you're going to use, because I definitely do want to retry it and redo that set. But I think I do need to use some products with a little bit more hold. So let me know, let me know. My ends, they have been like rubbing against my clothes and all of that, so yeah. It's not a look. Y'all thought I was gonna say it's a look. Nope, not for me anyway. I'm not just, I can't do that. I mean, if you can, girl, do you? But I can't do this right here, I'm looking like a Susie from Rugrats, but this is it. Got this side done here. It's still wet. I'm not surprised. I was heavy-handed with those products, but I still have a solution. Of course, I had to come up with one. This is not my first rodeo with having hair still being damp in the morning when I had to go to work. I sat under the dryer for 10 minutes and I really thought that was good, I actually kind of thought it was overkill, but I guess not. It's all good though. I am still gonna come up with something. The main thing for me with moisture is to moisturize my hair.
And if that means it's going to end up in, you know, the style that I hadn't originally planned, that's perfectly fine. My hair feels a lot better, and it looks a lot better than it did, so. This is my final look, and yeah, I'm heading out the door. But simple midweek moisture and restyle.
And that is all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next Tuesday.